In this video, I will show how to rotate text in Microsoft Word document, and this method will work all version of Microsoft Word from 2010 up to 2025. So click on Insert, then text box, select text box. Now paste your text here. Keep anyway. Select it, your text, and change the size if you need. Now adjust the text box as your size, and you can rotate manually. And also, once you double click on it, so in the shape format, you can rotate 90-degree, left, right, flip vertical, and flip horizontal. And if you want to remove this outline, select it. In shape outline, select no outline and click anyway. So this is the way, guys, you can rotate your text in Microsoft Word document. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.